Greetings, Guardian Scholars. Welcome to week 9, the first week in level 3, which is week 9, 10, and 11. And so on this week, I want you to pay careful attention because I've changed some things around from how we normally have them, and I want to make sure that you're aware of this. So we are going to have our normal Zoom class on Monday from 10:30 to 11:30, and I'm going to focus on introducing Essay 3 and the research process. Now, we have our weekly reflective journal as normal on Monday. I want to remind you that we're going to have our third set of benchmark conferences, so you have 2 weeks to get that done, but please try to do it the first week so that you can make sure that you don't wait till the last minute. So we'll have a survey and then the conference. Now, this is what I've done that's a little different, is I moved our Writing Center up to Tuesday night because it will actually help you with your Research Quest Level 3. And so if we click on this, I wanted to point out that the DLA that I recommend that we do is the M13 Narrowing a Database Search, and I'd like you to use this as an opportunity to start doing research for Essay 3. And so the next thing that's also due on Tuesday is Research Quest Level 3. I did make a short video demonstrating how to do Research Quest Level 3. So I would look at both of these because you can start doing Research Quest Level 3 as you're doing the Writing Center activity as well, and just kind of make things do double duty. I do have a model of a partially filled out Research Quest. And I was creating this model while I made the video, so you can see how I got to these sources. Now, I did not finish it, but you should have at least 10 sources at the end. And then what I did is I included the databases and the search terms that I used, and then I had a different kind of section for each works cited entry that I found. And so you can use that model to help you, as well as the video I went through. If you're kind of confused, that video can help you. You can download this in order to do it, or you can do it on a separate piece of paper. That's fine as well. And so that is due Tuesday, and that's really just kind of your first research, and you're just logging what sources you looked at and so on. I am planning to go ahead and do the Zoom study room on Wednesday. I'm still trying to get a sense from the class if you want me to convert things more to appointments, but I have a lot of appointments already available in week 9, and so I think I'm going to keep this as just a chance to work with people on creating their annotated bibliography and research notes. For Wednesday, I also wanted to point out that there is yet another research workshop. So if you want to do that for extra credit, you can use that to get more help on finding sources for Essay 3. Okay. And then for Thursday, you're going to turn in your annotated bibliography. And so I have some hints on researching, I have directions, and then I have a model of a works cited, an annotated bibliography entry. So you would have at least 10 sources. You can use all the same ones that you used in the Research Quest, or if you decide that you need to find new sources, you haven't found everything you needed, you might do different. Maybe some of them are the same and some of them are different. Okay, so that's for Thursday. We also have our normal 3 S's for step 9. We're almost done with this book, and so and then we have the Zoom study room for Friday is, again, I'm going to go ahead and keep it this time because I'm going to focus on preparing for Writing Sprint 3. And so when you look at Writing Sprint 3, I have it locked right now, but it's going to be open starting tomorrow. And so, but Writing Sprint 3 will focus in on arguing a position, and I give you several things that you can choose from for that. And so after that, we're into week 10, so that's it.